Shamsuddin Azimi was widely known for his profound contributions to Sufism and Islamic teachings. He was the founder of the Azimiya spiritual order and dedicated his life to spreading messages of peace, love, and unity. His teachings emphasized the importance of self-awareness, compassion, and understanding. His legacy as a spiritual leader will continue to resonate with those who were touched by his wisdom and kindness. A memorial service is being planned to honor his life and contributions to spirituality. Throughout his life, Azimi authored numerous books on spirituality and personal development, which have inspired countless individuals seeking guidance on their spiritual journeys. His lectures and teachings were characterized by their depth and clarity, making complex concepts accessible to a wide audience.